sit down by me, we'll review again, and we'll go through it the third time. Y'all did a great class.
Oh, really? You never got a sheet?
Scott said, currently with the budget and the negotiations in Congress and the DOGE cuts and everything else, I'm not sure, can't guarantee that all these that are in the manual are still active programs and still soliciting applications. However, this is what DHS wants us to show, and these were the ones that were active last year with updated course. So need to do, and then the next question, as Scott said, is okay, how are we gonna pay for all this stuff? This is just recommendations to give you guidance and direction, and make you aware that there's all these different things that you can apply for. Federal, we talk federal funding sources, that's the main focus of this module. The state and local ones, some of that I'm gonna defer to subject matter experts here.